Hello everyone and welcome to a new video here on our channels with me Toast
and Gordo the Monkey. And today we're getting the Nickelodeon shirts up there.
Yup.
So let's get started.
Yeah. Fill it up. Oh, run. Getting up here, jumping in here, running. We're gonna try to get the shirt up there. And if you're wondering why he said Nickelodeon shirt, it's because the shirt has slime on it, and you know.
Yeah.
So this is one of my. I don't really do long videos anymore because I do shorts, but I will make more long videos if you can get my friend here, Gordo the Monkey, to 50 subs.
Yeah.
So
That sounds pretty good.
okay, so we need to count. Okay, because we wanted the first try. We want to try to get it on the first try.
Yeah.
We don't want to do this again. This is boring.
Yeah.
Doing this all over and over. So I'm ready to jump in.
Same. Let's go.
Bubble here. New bubble here. New bubble here.
Oh my gosh.
New bubble here. Jumping all of the bubbles. Boing. Boing.
Oh my god, I'm so stressed right now.
Just gonna try to survive.
Oh.
Actually not, because I made my own version. Monkey version. What did I jump?
Oh my gosh, I'm so stressed right now.
Ooh, okay, let's concentrate.
Yeah. We should probably do that right now.
I'm going full gamer mode. Gamer mode. Jump.
Oh my gosh, this update is so sick.
Come on, we can do this. Come on, I got it. First try, baby. Come on, Gordo.
Yeah! Let's go!
We did it, first try. And we got the Nickelodeon t-shirt.
Hooray!
That's awesome. Let's get out of here.
Oh my god, finally. I'm gonna go buy it.
That's nice. You're gonna go buy it? I'm not
Yeah.
sure yet. I'm not 100% sure if I want to do it. Maybe. I'm not gonna buy it. Like, I don't have a lot of shiny rocks.
Nickelodeon!
You don't have it. Come on, over here. Wait, now you have it. No.
Yay!
Go in.
I got the
No, you don't have
Nickelodeon
it.
shirt.
Oh, now you have it. You have it. You got the Nickelodeon shirt. Hey, go to the mirror. Go to the mirror.
Yeah, I should
Get the
probably do that.
Nickelodeon.
Oh, I got the Nickelodeon shirt. Hooray!
Yeah, so that's the video. Yeah, we don't have any ideas. So this is just a video.
Yeah.
So yeah, subscribe to me and my friend, Gordo.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.